Hello, we are Mr. Inc. My name is Michael Meyer, and today we're talking to you about the hotel industry, which has a huge revenue of $126.6 billion per year, with $7.6 billion in profit and approximately 41,000 businesses. Marriott International is leading the pack with a 5.9% market share. The hotel industry would be considered the upper scale facilities providing an overnight or short-term stay for travelers and business customers. Location is a prominent factor for many hotels located near prime resort vacation areas, and they concentrate on resort activities which are primarily at the beach or in the mountains. Now let you talk to Natalie about growth.
Growth within the hotel industry fell 9.4% in 2009 to an all-time low. Growth from 2010 to 2012 will average a 2.6% increase a year. The industry will be worth $144.3 billion in 2012. Customer characteristics are dominated by domestic travel by 56%. 76% of that is leisure purposes, 14% is business purposes, 8% a combination of both, with the last two being miscellaneous. There are different segments within the hotel industry, such as bed and breakfasts and small boutiques. More segments means more competition, ultimately giving the customer a better price. Next, Jared's going to talk about competition.
Okay, there are four main large companies within this industry, and they hold less than 20% in total of the market share. And merging has become increasingly popular amongst all these branches and different companies, because you have stateside hotel branches that want to merge internationally to create a bigger market, basically. And there are 6 key factors, and the factors that I'll be discussing right now are the well-maintained and well-trained staff and room availability. And now I will hand it over to Samantha to talk about micro.
The hotel industry is not heavily regulated. However, they are to conform to local and state laws, including food safety and fire safety. This is stable and is not likely to change in the near future. The hotel industry is constantly changing in technology. The biggest area that is changing is how consumers and customers are booking and reserving their rooms. There's mostly internet-based, that they're testing mobile devices right now. As the economy fell, the consumers were being selective on how they spent their disposable income. In 2009, this resulted in consumer spending declining 1.9% and domestic travel declining 5%, as well as international travel. However, in 2011, consumer spending has increased 2%, and travel is continuing to grow through 2017. I am now going to hand it over to Amna, who's going to talk about the micro-environmental factors.
The supplier. In this industry, it needs a lot of suppliers to cover the service, the food, and the comfort of the customer. And the hotel tries to look for the best deals for the lowest cost and to cover the needs. Media. In this industry, there's 3 types of media. First, TV commercial. Second, the brochure in airport and train station. And the third one is the event and the hot deals. The labors. The last thing is the labors, and it's called United here. And it's create family jobs. Now I will hand it to Jim.
Alright, so in closing, basically the future of the hotel and motel accommodation industry is increasing. There's travel spending, which is increasing, consumer spending, which is up to 2.3%, and 5% growth within the whole area. So, I'm ready for a vacation. How about you?
Yes!